Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8988A. 53,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, soul red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, lots of storage space in the rear, split seat, folds flat easily with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Mazda has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large, easy to read infotainment system for radio, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. As of course, with the backup camera displays. Dual-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Controls for the infotainment system. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this CX-5 has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.